So now what you can do is you can go ahead and create out a smart collection inside of Adobe Photoshop Lightroom as well. So if you want a collection to be actually made by going ahead and by keeping some properties in mind automatically, then smart collection is what you can make. So to do that, over here in the collection section, you can go ahead and press the plus button right here, and here you can see that create smart collection is an option. Once you go ahead and do that, this is what you have, as you can see right here. So you can see that I can go ahead and create out, let's say for example, use some criteria right here. So I'm just going to go around and say auto collection right here, just like this. And then over here, I can actually add in a collection set as well, but I'm just going to keep an auto collection. So here you can see that you can set collection by rating, by pick flag, or by label color right here, just like this as well. So let me just go for label text, or let me just go for label color. And let's say, for example, if it is none, then I want to actually add all of the pictures in the smart collection. So this picture is opened up. So this is what you have, as you can see. You can also press the plus button and add in another criteria as you see as well, like capture date and source, like file types as well. So I can go ahead and let's say, for example, go for file type right here. And then you can see that I can go for file name right here as well. But let me just delete this out and just keep it as label color right here. So if the label color is set to none, then it'll actually add it to the smart collection. So let me just go ahead and click create, and then what happens is that now a new collection is actually created right here, just like this. So you can see that auto collection is an option, and all of the pictures without any color assigned to it has been actually created just like this. And that is how you can go ahead and create out smart collection as you like inside of Adobe Lightroom Classic. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.